The market hits 4150 SPX, then slams down from there. Where do we go from here? Find out next on Invest with Jacob. So the big news of the day is that the SPX went up and hit our 4150 target, then immediately crashed down to 4120. So this begs the question, are we in the alternate count that we've been talking about for the last few days? We'll get into that in just a minute. Welcome to the show, guys. My name is Jacob Gabbard. This is Invest with Jacob. If you like what you see today, I ask you to hit that subscribe button so that you can get these videos every day, get our market analysis, our 100K challenge update where we've turned 6K into 25K and are looking to turn that into 100K over the next few months, and we give you our trade setups. All right, guys, so let's jump in and talk about what happened yesterday. So yesterday we called for the target of 4150 on SPX. The market opened, immediately raced up and hit it, and then never could bust through. Now we have been talking about an alternate count that said if we went up to 4150 and pulled back, we could be shifting our count a little bit. We're not there yet. And in fact, the overnight action shows us that we're still strongly in our main count. Okay, guys, so here we are in the chart. And what we can see is we're actually in the futures chart, the ES chart, is went up to our high yesterday and then crashed down. And then overnight came down here to 41.1250 as the low. From that low, we actually have 1, 2, 3, 4. And now as we speak, we are getting ready to make our fifth wave up, which took out yesterday's high. It just took it out. So we just took out yesterday's high of 41.44 on the ES. Remember, the ES is the futures, the SPX is the index. Two different charts, two different values. We just took out yesterday's high at 41.4450. We needed to push a little bit higher, but we're looking like 5 waves up here to make a new high and keep the pattern moving forward. So if that's the case, what we're looking for now is this to push on out a little higher and then give us a pullback here, right? And then give us a setup up to the 4,200 region. All right, so we got 5 waves up. We're looking for an ABC correction down, so boom, boom, boom. And then we're looking for 5 waves up to 4,200 to complete wave 3 of 5. And if you're new to the channel, I know that sounds a little complex, but what we're using is Elliott Wave Theory, and that's how you get there. So as I'm looking at this, it is 5:21 a.m. on April 15th. So the market hasn't opened yet, and we've already taken out yesterday's high, which is indicative of a move higher to 4,200 and staying on our correct count. Okay, so what would invalidate this setup? If we break back down below 4110 and test 4070, at that point we could see ourselves in the alternate count and go from there. But right now what it's really looking like is that we're going to push higher today, have a little bit of a pullback, and then start our march toward 4,200 in the next few days. If the scenario does play out, we push a little bit higher in this wave, and then we pull back to our support and get our setup. We are going to buy some call options pointing towards 4,200, expiring probably at the end of next week. And if you follow my Facebook page, I will put out when I buy those options so that you can buy them too if you want to make the same trades we do. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. I'll never tell you how to trade. I'm just telling you what I see in the market. So here's the main takeaways. As long as we push higher, a little bit higher here, and then correct, we're looking to go to 4,200. If that fails, the only way to invalidate that is to pull back all the way through this low, okay, down into the 4110 region, and then test 4070, and then we would consider it our alternate count. All right, so that's it. That's everything today. Short update. Happy trading, guys.